play with and use, the aha moments are about to come. And so I'm going to dive right into it. And let's start with first, research. Okay, research. Most people say, I get it. Yeah, keyword research. Go out there, see what people are doing, learn about the space, know your avatar. I mean, yes, but that's not the real purpose. When Thomas and I go to do research, we're ruthless. Our purpose is to ethically steal what works. I use the word steal softly, okay? So nothing wrong. We don't do anything that's wrong or immoral. But here's the deal, man. I don't care to be, and neither does Thomas. We don't care to be the creators. We don't care to be the ingenious people. We want to see what's working and model after it. It makes my life easy. It makes his life easy. It makes everybody's life easy. So how do we do that? Can you do it? Yeah, you can actually. It's not about finding, okay, what your audience likes or dislikes. It's about finding what works. That sounds a little philosophical. Well, hold on tight because I'm going to show you exactly how. We don't guess. We don't reinvent the wheel. We don't create. We just basically hack. Now, how do you hack? Okay. So a lot of people would say, well, Anik, everything you're saying sounds kind of wrong. Well, Facebook actually wants you to do this. They didn't say it in these words that I'm saying it, but let me show you why I know they want you to know exactly what your competitors are doing. Because they created a tool called Facebook Ads Library. Go ahead. You could go, don't go right now. I want you paying attention, but write this down. Facebook.com/ads/library. You can look up anybody's ads. Do you want to see all of my ads? Go ahead. Go and type my name in. Type in Anik Singhal. You can see all of my current ads and all the ads that Thomas is running under my name. Type in learn. You can see all the ads we're currently running. Type in anyone you want. Anyone. Isn't that crazy? And this isn't talked about more? Well, check this out. Let's say, okay, I want to pick on my buddy Russell Brunson from ClickFunnels. Why? Come on, he's one of the top internet marketers on the planet, right? You know he's probably got an army of amazing ad creators and buyers. Well, thank you, Russell, because I see he's got 240 ads running right now on Facebook. 240. You see that at the bottom right? You can see the number? Thank you. I could see all his ads. I mean, all right, Udemy, big professional company worth billions of dollars. I see all their ads. Interesting. Learn cryptocurrency, learn Python, learn herbalism. I didn't even know herbalism was a topic, but it is. I can get so much market data. Okay, I'll pick on my buddy Robbie. We just recently had done a big promotion for Robbie. I'm good friends with Robbie. I told Robbie, I said, you can't hide. I see every one of his ads he's running on Facebook, and he's brilliant. He spends hundreds of thousands of dollars a month on Facebook ads. So I want to know what he's doing, right? So every single thing that you want to research, would you say that this is probably one of like the biggest, like if you were like from 0 to 10, like from 0 to 100, 100 being like the full time between thinking and creating an ad, how much time do you think you spend? Like what percentage of your time is on research?
Right, 30%.
30%.
Yeah.
Do you find yourself using this tool a lot, this library tool?
Every day.
Isn't it so crazy? And it's a free tool. You don't pay anything. Facebook wants you to use it. So write that URL down. And then from there, we move right into, all right, I'm going to say this is my personal favorite step. And it might just be because I'm a copywriter and funnel builder by my nature, but funnel. So anytime I would tell people, what's a funnel for? People will say, what's the purpose of a funnel? They'll say, oh, to create conversions, to, make more money. And I'm like, okay. But when we do ads, we give the funnel a very different purpose. It's to beat our competition. What does that mean? Okay, here's the deal. Here's how ads works, okay? This is the down and dirty truth, so carry this with you. Person A, person B, bidding on the same keyword. That's fine. Who do you think Facebook... Now, both of their ads are good, equal good. They're the same, they're good. Who do you think Facebook will give preference to? The person who's going to spend more money, right? I mean, Facebook's in this to make money. It's a bidding system. So now all of a sudden you're thinking, oh my God, I'm going to have to spend more money. Well, no. When do we ever worry about that? Rarely. It never comes up in conversation. I do not know what you spend per click. Till this day, I have no freaking clue what he spends per click. I don't know what we spend per I don't care. All I know is, hey, I gave you $500,000. How much did I get back? And as long as that number looks good, I don't care what I'm paying, right? So how do we beat our competition?